Last, before I move to Q&A, psychology, this is the most important. This is 60% of who you are. Ito yung pinakatutukan mo. Ibig sabihin, pag ito binamanage mo na guys, ibig sabihin nasa last part ka na ng scaling game mo. Nasa last part ka na when you're ready like studying your own psychology, meaning nasa last part ka na ng trading journey mo. Kasi may strategy in place ka na, you're very careful with your risk management, may ibang account ka na pwede mong pasunog, may ibang account ka na pang tarak mo na okay lang matalo kasi alam mo, pero yung main account mo, ingat na ingat ka dun. Whatever strategy that is. Kasi ayaw mong maapektuhan yung psychology mo. Kasi yung psychology mo, dyan yung magbe-base ng decision making mo. Dyan magbe-base kung kaya mo bang mag-cut loss. Dyan magbe-base kung kaya mo bang itipi. Ikaw yun eh. Ikaw yung pipindot nun. Why? Eto. Pag tumataas yung drawdown nyo, anong tendency ginagawa nyo? Nangyayari din sa akin yan. Naglalagay ka ng malaking lot size. Tama. Naglalagay ka ng double entry. Tama. You wanted to recover fast as soon as you can. Pinipilit mo yung market, sundin yung gusto mong mangyari. Pag masyadong mataas na yung drawdown mo. Kasi bakit? You're not aware na hindi na pala trading yung ginagawa mo. Kasi bakit? Affected na yung psychology mo.